You open the fridge and suddenly forget what you came for. Sound familiar? We often blame it on tiredness or age. But the truth is, some of the foods in your fridge might be silently affecting your memory. That doesn't mean they're bad or forbidden. But as our body changes with age, even familiar foods can start working differently, especially for the brain. In this video, we'll look at 5 everyday foods that can gradually hurt your memory, and simple, smart alternatives for each one. And we'll also share 5 foods that truly nourish the brain and help keep your mind clear, sharp, and calm. As we age, our brains become more sensitive. Blood flow slows down, inflammation rises, and nerve cells need more nutrients, but absorb less. Even small daily choices start to matter, from sugar in your breakfast to the acid in a fruit. That's why some foods that once felt healthy can turn against us, and others, simple, natural, affordable, can help us think clearly and stay mentally strong. 5 foods that may harm your memory. Orange juice. Many drink it daily thinking it's vitamin C, but it's mostly sugar, without fiber. The brain gets a sugar spike, then a drop in energy and focus. Instead, whole orange or grapefruit, white bread, toast, rolls, baguettes, all rapid carbs. They lead to blood sugar swings and brain fog. Better, rye or whole grain bread. Flavored yogurt. Even with live cultures, it's often just a dessert with added sugar. Too much sugar equals slower brain function. Choose plain yogurt plus berries or nuts. Soda and diet drinks. Yes, even diet. They affect insulin, brain receptors, and mood regulation. Instead, water with lemon or mint. Processed meats. Sausages, deli meats, pâté, loaded with nitrates and unhealthy fats. They can trigger inflammation, even in the brain. Better, chicken, eggs, or baked fish. So, these are the hidden culprits, foods that may seem innocent, but can slowly cloud your mind and drain your focus. But now let's turn the page. Because just as some foods steal our clarity, others can bring it back. Let's explore 5 brain-loving foods that nourish, protect, and support memory every single day. 5 foods that boost your memory. 1. Blueberries. Their antioxidants protect brain cells and support memory and focus. 2. Walnuts. Omega-3, vitamin E, antioxidants. A perfect neuron boost. 3. Avocado. Healthy fats improve blood flow to the brain and help stabilize energy. 4. Greek yogurt. Complete protein, probiotics, and calcium, all in one. Leucine supports brain activity. 5. Salmon or sardines. Rich in DHA, the most powerful omega-3 for your brain. It's brain armor. Memory is like a garden. Water it right, and it blooms. You already have everything to help it thrive. Memory doesn't disappear overnight. It changes slowly, and you can help it stay strong. Small daily choices make a big difference. Which foods surprised you most? Share in the comments. Your story might help someone else. And as always, like, subscribe, hit the bell. Together, we care for our minds and our future.